Okay, friends, we're going to learn about some farm animals today. I'm so happy to see you. All right, let's go. Horse, cow, pig, sheep, duck. Okay, say it with me. Ready? Let's go. Horse, cow, pig, sheep, duck. Now, can you say it all by yourself? All right, let's go. Awesome job, you did wonderful. Now, let's say it together one more time. All right, let's go. Horse, cow, pig, sheep, duck. Very good. Just remember, farm animals are fun, but you've got to be safe when you're around them. So keep your distance and be kind to animals. We'll see you soon. Bye now.